Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, where learning English is always easy and fun. Have you ever stayed home all day and realized, wow, I actually do so many little things from morning to night? Think about it. We wake up, eat, clean, rest, maybe watch a movie, talk to family, and then sleep again. Home is where we live our daily English life. So today, let's spend a full day together, in English, right at home. By the end of this episode, you'll know how to describe your daily activities at home using simple sentences and natural English. Are you ready? Let's open the front door, step inside, and start our English at home adventure. It's early morning. The sun is shining through the window. You open your eyes and stretch your arms. You can say, I wake up at 7 o'clock. I get out of bed. If you want to sound natural, add a small detail. I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:30. You know, that extra 30 minutes of lying in bed scrolling on your phone. Next, you go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I take a shower. You look in the mirror and say, "Good morning, me." Then it's breakfast time, the best part of the morning. You go to the kitchen and say, I make coffee. I eat breakfast. I have bread and eggs. If you like fruit, you can say, I eat an apple every morning. Simple, right? Morning English is easy and full of action verbs. Wake up, brush, eat, drink, go. Now you're ready for the day. Maybe you work from home, maybe you study, or maybe it's your day off. Either way, let's see what happens next. It's lunchtime. You're a little hungry. You open the fridge and say, what should I eat today? You can describe it in English. I cook rice and vegetables. I make a sandwich. I have lunch at 12:30. If you're studying or working from home, you might say, I use my computer. I write emails. I join an online meeting. I study English for 1 hour. You can even add fun sentences. I drink too much coffee. I talk to my cat. My cat doesn't answer, but that's okay. Sometimes the afternoon is for cleaning. You might say, I wash the dishes. I do the laundry. I clean the floor. If you want to sound natural, use phrases like, I tidy up my room, meaning I make it clean and organized. I water the plants. I open the windows to get fresh air. A busy afternoon, right? But after all that, you deserve a little rest. You sit on the sofa and say, I take a break. I relax and listen to music. Sometimes I take a nap. A nap is a short sleep during the day. Just don't sleep too long, or you'll miss dinner. The evening begins. You turn on the lights and think about dinner. If you cook, you can say, I cook dinner. I make pasta. I eat with my family. Or maybe you order food. You can say, I order pizza. The pizza arrives in 30 minutes. Then after dinner, you clean up. I wash the dishes. I put everything away. The evening is also time for relaxing. You can describe what you do. I watch TV. I listen to music. I read a book. I play games on my phone. If you live with family, you can say, I talk with my family. We laugh and share stories. If you live alone, maybe you call someone. I call my best friend, and we chat for a while. Finally, it's bedtime. You feel sleepy. You say, I brush my teeth again. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I sleep well. That's your day, all in English. Let's look at some helpful phrases from our day at home. Wake up versus get up. Wake up means open your eyes. Get up means leave the bed. Example, I wake up at 7, but I get up at 7:30. Do the laundry. This means to wash clothes. Example, I do the laundry every Saturday. Take a nap. A short sleep during the day. Example, I take a nap after lunch. Tidy up. To make a place clean and organized. Example, I tidy up my room every evening. Go to bed. To lie down to sleep at night. Example, I go to bed at 10 o'clock. These are everyday English expressions you can use at home every single day. Now it's your turn to practice. I want you to write 2 or 3 simple sentences about your day at home. For example, I make breakfast at 8. I clean the kitchen after lunch. I watch TV in the evening. You can say them out loud or write them in the comments. Remember, every small sentence you say in English is one step closer to confidence. So, what do you do at home? Do you cook, clean, watch movies, or maybe dance in the living room? Whatever you do, say it in English. So today, we spent a full day in English at home. We woke up, had breakfast, worked, cleaned, relaxed, and went to bed using simple, everyday English. See how many things you can already say? English is everywhere, even in your kitchen, your living room, and your bedroom. You don't need to travel far to practice English. Just describe your day. Say what you see, what you do, and how you feel. Before I go, let me ask you one last question. What's your favorite part of the day at home? Morning coffee, evening TV time, or maybe bedtime? Write it down in English. I'd love to read your answers. Thank you so much for listening today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English listening stories. And remember, learning English can happen anywhere, even in your pajamas. See you next time, and have a wonderful day at home.